Hey, what's up guys, welcome back once again to my channel, The Good Check. And once again, this is Jerry, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem. So the problem is that if you have, probably you are working and then you encountered like this, that your cell pointer, the mouse pointer, and for Excel the mouse pointer could be like a cross sign. So this time, if you could see my mouse pointer, so it's really like a big cross. And if I want to drag this cell, I want to fill all these cells with values here, but seems like I could not do anything. Seems like the fill handle could not be used. It has to be like if you put your mouse pointer here, the cell pointer, this one, of course it has to be like you could fill, or there's a fill handle that you could drag and drop cells or cell values from the particular cells. But this time there is no there's no promising that you could do anything for your workbook or your worksheet. So the question is, why is that? So it's because your fill handle for cell drag and drop is disabled. So what you'll do is you just have to go to file, so this tab, file here, file tab, then you could see all these options here, then go down to this option menu, or file menu, then you have this option. So just click that one and you have this window, and then just go to the advanced tab, this part here, and then if you could see this part here, enable fill handle and cell drag and drop, this is untick. Untick, that means it's not checked, unchecked. So that means if it is not checked, that means this is the fill handle is disabled. So what you'll do is you have to tick this one or click this, then you have the check, or the box, checkbox has a check now. That means this is enabled, your fill handle is enabled, and you can drag and drop cells or whatever values in the cell. You can drag and drop it, and you can do whatever you want for your values in your cells, okay, in your worksheet. So that's it. It's already checked, we have checked this one, then click OK. And then if you could see here, the big cross just a while ago becomes the like a thin cross. From a fat cross, it becomes a thin cross. That means the fill handle is already enabled, so you can drag and drop, you can fill the values of your cells. Like for example, if you type here, this is just an example, so you type here 5, then you can drag and drop values to the next of course other like this one. Okay, sorry for that. So just here, okay, like this one, where is it now? Sorry for that. Okay, like this one, 5. So if I want to fill this cell here below, so I could have the fill handle, then I have the values for 6, 7, whatever. It depends upon what you want to do in your cells. So so that's it, guys. Hopefully this helps you to solve your problem. As long as you could see that your mouse pointer from a fat cross, then it becomes a thin cross. That means this is the fill handle is enabled. So guys, that's it, and hopefully that this could help you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.